It's really worth it and cheap. Hi, it's Jillana Wui and welcome back to my channel. I laminated my brow and this is what it looks like when it's styled. I use brow soap and pomade to fill in the sparse area. It's really worth it, convenient, and cheaper than going to the salon, that's for sure. But if you want to see how I laminated my brows, then keep on watching. I bought this brow lamination kit for 238 pesos. You can find the instruction on the back part of the packaging. If you don't have cling wrap, don't worry because this kit comes with a plastic film. Inside the packaging comes with brow lip glue, 4 different liquids, and brow brush. The brow brush looks like this. To be honest, it's not a brush to me. It's more like a spatula. I tried using it and it's hella sharp. I'm using the cleanser with the cotton swab to clear off the oil of my brow. Step 2. Apply the glue on the brows. I apply the glue particularly in section because the glue dries quickly. Use the Y-shaped brush that was included in the kit to brush the brows. Step 3. Apply the perm lotion on brows and cover the brows with the cling wrap for 10 minutes. Remove the cling wrap. Step 4. Apply fixation lotion. Brows looking red because I went hard on the brow brush. And cover the brows with the cling wrap for 10 minutes. Remove the cling wrap. Step 5. Use the cleanser to clear off all the perm residue. And finally, step 6. Apply nutrition to repair the brow because you just killed them. And cover it once more with the cling wrap for 10 minutes. Remove the cling wrap and we're done. This is what it looks like just after the perm sesh. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment something below, share this to your friends, subscribe to my channel, and of course, turn on the notification bell beside the subscribe button. Thank you. Bye.